to another vlog. I feel like it has been forever. And I know I say this at the start of every single vlog, but I literally feel like it's been forever since I have done a vlog. But what I wanted to do is start doing more documenting of my entrepreneurial journey, because I have so many exciting projects coming up, so many exciting events that I'm going to. And I mean, I know I show everything on Instagram, but I also wanted to kind of just chuck it in a vlog because you guys have been asking for it. So today is actually Sunday the 10th of February, and what I'm about to do is jump on the monthly masterclass for the Game Changer Collective. So Game Changer Collective is my monthly membership. Every month I do a masterclass, and this month it's all about sales. Then I'm going to do a photo shoot, and then I'm going to jump into some of the projects that I'm working on. So I thought I'd bring you along today, but I'm literally needing to jump on this masterclass like right now. Actually, just before I jump on the masterclass, I quickly wanted to give you a little piece of advice. So many people actually message me and ask me, how are you so confident on your masterclasses? Like whether it's a free masterclass or one in the Game Changer Collective or one of the ones that I host as a workshop. So many people say when you jump on, you're just like full of energy. And guys, it wasn't always that way. When I first started coaching, I used to honestly get so nervous that my stomach would, do its thing. And I literally used to have to like timestamp everything that I was going to say because I was so nervous that I was going to run out of things to say and I wouldn't actually use the whole hour or hour and a half, whatever. But just over time, I've just gotten so much more used to it. So for example, now it's 8:53, I'm starting a masterclass at 9 a.m. and it's cool. Like I'm here, I'm chilling with you guys on the vlog. But beforehand I would have to like prepare for like half an hour before. I just know my material like the back of my hand. I've done it so many times. So, I mean, if you're wanting to do lives, if you're wanting to do masterclasses, coaching or any of that, and there's just something in you that's like, I'm so terrified of the actual live portion of it, just know that you will get so much better over time. But also, so many times that nervous energy that you have is actually transmuted into electric energy. So what you bring to the table is so much more exhilarating for the audience when you are nervous before. I know it sounds weird, but if you're not nervous, like I'm excited now, so I can transmute that into electric energy. But I mean, if you're just like, yeah, whatever, you're gonna show up and be so apathetic. So your body doesn't really know the difference between excited and nervousness. So just please try it and try it again and try it again and try it again until you get to the point where you feel comfortable doing them. So masterclass is done, and George and I just went down to the park and we took Harvey for a walk, and George was taking some photos, practicing his photography skills. And now we're actually going to go out for lunch, but also do a little bit of a photo shoot, because something we're trying to do a lot more lately is use every opportunity, whatever it is that we're doing, whether it be going to the park or whether it be, going to lunch, for taking photos, both so George can practice, but also so I can have content for my Instagram. A lot of people say to me, I have no photos to post on Instagram, and the simplest answer is to just take more photos. Use everywhere you go as a photo opportunity. Whether you've got a nice camera or whether you're just using your phone, just, pull it out, ask, your friend, your family, or even a stranger, just say, hey, like, can you take a photo of me? And then, you can use that for content on your Insta. That was really weird. Anyway, all right, well, we're gonna go for lunch and we'll bring you along. So we just finished lunch, and now George and I are going to do a bit of a photo shoot. I mean, we've already taken some photos, thank God, because I'm so full right now. So these are going to be big belly shots. But anyway, so we're going to do just some photos in a park. We found this really nice background with this really cool green tree. And I don't know, hopefully they turn out nice. So we're actually home from, I always start off saying so. We just got home from our lunch and our little photo shoot, and now what I'm actually going to do is just do some filming. I've got a video masterclass coming up soon, which, by the way, if you're interested in, there is going to be more information in the description below. But I've got a video masterclass coming up, so what I'm going to do is just create a little video, a little promo video for that, and then I actually am going to just work on some other masterclasses that I'm doing, and yeah, basically just having a working afternoon. Hi there, and thank you so much for downloading my video cheat sheet. I hope you get so many amazing ideas for how you can start using video in your business. My name's Erin, and I've been able to build a multiple six-figure business over the past couple of years just by Start again. And I invite you to check out the link below and learn a little bit more about this masterclass. I'm going to be holding this workshop so that...
Oh, so close.
Nah, start again. And I want to teach you how to use the same. Use the same. Come on.
Fucking hell.
Take 135. Hi there. We'll get there one time. So I thought for the last part of this vlog, what I would do is actually take you through a house tour, because I've been living here since October and I've been saying that I was going to do a home office house tour for so long. But the thing is, I was going to get a professional stylist to come in and style the home office and possibly even the living room. But because that kind of hasn't been able to happen yet, just because a lot of personal things have happened with the stylist, I have just, done what I can myself. I'm definitely not an expert when it comes to styling things, but I thought, why not? Because this vlog is so random, just show you guys around, show you how I've set up the office, show you around the rest of the house, and then later if I do end up getting it professionally styled, then we can do, I guess, like an updated house tour. So this is what you first see when you first walk in. Obviously it is pretty echoey because it does have really high ceilings. There's Harvey. One thing we definitely want to do is get some artwork for this wall along here. I mean, there's already hooks in place, which is really, really great. But the one thing that we do have is this little plant right here. Then this here is just the garage. I'm not going to show you that because how boring. But then this is where you get to the home office. So, I mean, originally this probably should have been the master bedroom, but because it's such a big room, I don't even know if you could tell how big the actual room itself is. We thought that we would turn that into the home office. So pretty much this is my desk here. That's George's desk there. Obviously my desk is so much cuter. George's is so boring. But we used to have the desks in the middle. It just felt a little crowded, and so what we did was we decided to move the desks to either side, and so I'm facing this wall, George is facing this wall. Pretty much on my desk I just have a plant, my microphone, my vision board of course, my YouTube subscriber plaque, my journals, pen caddy, and this is what I actually put my laptop on. It's just got some junk inside it. People always laugh at me. They're like, how can you make so much money in your business and have a shoebox as your laptop stand? And I'm like, I just really like it, so jog on. But anyway, here is one of the only real plants that I have in the house. And then on here, we just have the Google Mini and what are these called? Like a diffuser, I think, and my yoga mat because sometimes I do stretching down here. And that's Harvey's bed and a trash can. And then over here is George's desk. I mean, doesn't even need explaining because it literally is so boring. He uses a big screen for editing and there's his laptop. He's actually away, so his desk usually would have more stuff on it, but I don't know, it looks kind of clean for now. That's Harvey. Outside is Harvey's little potty area. We don't have any grass because even though it's kind of like a house, it doesn't have a backyard. So we just use one of those little doggy tray things. It's good because he's so small. Obviously his toilet isn't that big, but anyway, why the fuck am I talking about Harvey's going to the toilet? Over here, I just have this little bookshelf with some of my stuff on it. We used to have this massive square thing with heaps of things on it. You probably remember it from my videos or some of my lives, but I've downsized and chucked that into the garage and just stuck with this little bookshelf for now. In here is then the bathroom. We never, ever, ever use this bathroom. I mean, I'll go there sometimes during the day, but pretty much it's just used for Coco's kitty litter. and me filling up the diffuser with oils. Okay, so this is the view that you get when you first walk up into the living room. I really like how it's got a separate dining area to sort of like the living space. This is just like a normal sort of glass table. We try to eat dinner here every night. Obviously, it doesn't always happen, but I think it's really important. Then we have the bar cart over here, and then the living space is pretty much done. We obviously need to get a new couch. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but this couch is so old. It's got really bad sun damage on the back of it from where we used to have it up against the window at our old place. So we will be getting a new couch, but I mean, at the moment it's just styled with some pillows. I've got my marble table here with a fake plant, but I think it looks okay. And then that other plant over there, and then Harvey's little bed in the corner. And then so the view from the living room into the kitchen just looks like this. I'm pretty minimalist when it comes to the kitchen. I don't like having a lot of stuff, but you know, I really like this splashback. I've used it in some of the videos, and I pretty much like having absolutely nothing on the counter here, but that's the kitchen. I really love when I see people's kitchens styled all nice, but I don't know, I can't be bothered with that. And then so from the kitchen, you can walk either into the bedroom, which I don't know, I don't really need to explain. This is pretty much just George and I's bedroom. On my bedside table, I have a book, a fake plant, a candle, and some essential oils. George has all my crap on his side because he's away, and I've got my tarot and journal over there. We've got, you know, basket for dirty clothes. This is pretty standard. Then into the bathroom, which again is a pretty standard bathroom. I always love to have candles going in the house when I'm home. I just think it makes it smell so nice. I recently got these towels. I think they're so cute from Urban Republic. I'm an actual grub today because I just took Harvey for a walk. And so then we come into this room, which is actually a room that I just styled yesterday. I absolutely love how it kind of turned out. This is my sort of, you could say, dressing room, meditation room. I'm actually going to do some work in here today. I don't know, I just feel like working from home. But pretty much, again, some more fake plants. All the fake plants are from Urban Republic, or actually its parent company is Adairs. I just really like them. They are quite expensive for fake plants, but I think they look really good. They last, and I can't keep plants alive, so I'm going for the fake thing. Then I've just got this, which is actually a fold-out couch. I'm not into brown leather, but my parents gave it to me because they didn't have anywhere to put it, and I think it looks okay in here. My guitar. This rug on the floor, which is obviously not real, it's got glitter in it, but it is just from Kmart, and then I've just hung some of my hats on the wall. Okay, so that is it for me. That is my quick little house tour. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you liked seeing around my house. Definitely let me know which is your favorite room in the comments below. I'm gonna edit this now and get it up for you. I did just want to mention that this is going to be my last video for 2 weeks, because I am actually moving into a filming studio and I've got lots of amazing videos planned. We are getting ahead with that, so this will be the last video until the beginning of March. If you're watching it live, if you're watching it in the future, this is irrelevant. But just know that I will be back ASAP with some very, 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 very exciting videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.